Hi guys, welcome to this structural BIM tutorial, and today I'm going to look at a little option in management tools which allows us, when we save as, to copy the derived documents. So for those of you not aware what a derived document is, that is a document that derives from the current model. So that would be anything that exists in the document manager. So it would be your details, your bill of materials, your DSF and your NC files. So rather than a normal save as, then recreate all the drawings and all the files, we have an option within the management tools. As soon as we save as, Advanced Steel will take all them derived documents and build that folder structure for us. So if we click into management tools and then go to defaults, and then under the general and then general tab, you will see there is an option here called derived documents are copied and save as. Now currently that is unchecked. So when I save as, it will just save the model. If I tick this on, update and load settings in Advanced Steel. So let's load settings, close it down, upload, update defaults. Now when we file save as and save this as a drawing, and if we go to our folder structure, and in here I'm going to go copy derived documents, and I'm going to just click the save button. So what will happen now is that it will save the model, but it will also take all them derived documents and build it into that folder structure. And you can see it's taking a little bit longer than a normal save as, because it's not just doing the model, it's taking all the files, and you will see that it will upload and change. It's also, because this model was older, it's also updated all the files. So if we just check our Windows Explorer, go into our work, and we have a look at the videos and Steel, and we go to copy derived documents, you will now see that we have a folder structure and we've got all our detailed drawings that all came with that option. So it's a nice little option, does it all for you. You just got to remember it's on in case you actually save as. So that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Join me again soon for another Advanced Steel tutorial.